I'm at Ruai East by Wheelstone Homes. This is what they were talking about. Almost 100% delivery. In June, around June, July, they will be giving away all these houses. Now, the best deal is that on the 1st of Madaraka Day, the new one that is now called the Grand View Estate will also be ready for only 3.65 million Kenya shillings. Make sure that you take the future. Wheelstone Homes, together we build the future. Look at that, guys. That's what we're talking about. Work going on everywhere. Wheelstone Homes. See you on the 1st Madaraka Day at the Grand View Estate for the biggest open day ever.